Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is September 5th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is for you. All right, let's jump over here to the charts and see what we see. See, I need to change that. And let's see if I can resize this. Oh, it's right. And maximize this. Wow. Hope I can get through this without any internet issues. I've been having internet issues. So right now, okay. All right, on the NASDAQ, on QQQ, we're still hanging out above our yearly R1, which is good. Still green. Everything looks good here. Plus bulls and all on this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, we're still above the 9-10 moving average, which whatever you may be using. We're still got higher lows and all, but we still haven't made that higher high yet. We're still looking green. We still haven't broke that R1 on these quarterly pivots. So again, we can tell that this market is having a hard time at this time, but everything is still okay. Let's go ahead and go down to this weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, we can see, this is where we can see, that we've been having a hard time, getting over that previous week, that week high back that we made about 3 weeks ago now. And the market has been kind of struggling. But this week, we have a bullish engulfing of the previous candle. So it looks like maybe it's ready now to go ahead and break that high and all. So we have to kind of like wait and see. Normally people start thinking that the market may go down, but right now with this bullish looking candle this week, this market may be going up. And it made me take a look over and see what earnings are coming up next week. Next week, the big guys on earnings is Adobe and Oracle and Kroger's that I see that I like and all. So again, will they be enough? Will those earnings give enough of a pop come next week that cause this thing to go ahead and break that all-time high? We'll have to kind of like just wait and see what happens there. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. And on this daily noise chart, what we see here, it is noise, definitely noise. This was a short week though. This is a holiday week. We only got a 4-day week. This bottom candle, let me do it like this. Let me at least get that high in there. We had this bottom candle here. Let me see if I got my other little thing over here also. This was Monday. Started out and I got it black because I was doing something else. Let's see how that shows up. That shows up okay. This is Monday here, and then we kind of been gapping up all week long, and even this morning we gapped up, and then we just pulled back down and all to kind of like try to fill those gaps and all. So me, I look at as long as that wick got crossed there, even though the body didn't get crossed there, this is the only gap that we didn't fill here. That Monday, that Tuesday to Wednesday gap. Other than that, we've been kind of trying to go up, and we got over previous week high, which is a good thing. And now the thing is, come next week, let's see if we're going to be able to break all-time highs and all. So that's pretty much it that I want to share here and what I see here. So let's just see what happens. It was a pretty interesting week this week, the way the market was kind of gapping up and moving up. And today we had Broadcom, I think it was, earnings last night, and that may have been the reason for this market gapping up the way it gapped up and then pulled back. It was an interesting trade. That's all I can say on that. But that's it. That's all I really want to share. This is our Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a good week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.